Welcome back to another BB Gamer here. Today we are playing Gorilla Tag. Now, in this video, we are doing something where I'm gonna have people tell me sounds. So I'm gonna say like, what's the sound of someone getting tagged? What's the sound of this? What's the sound of that? And eventually, we're gonna go into a game of it's gonna be infection or we're gonna have those in it. So let's get going.
Oh.
Alright, I'll use it.
You can run, but you.
Bro, what kind of...
Right now.
I know, I swear, bro. I'm literally the Laginator. But are you in the wrong queue?
I say that said he might be cheating if he's in competitive.
Oh my god, I almost got him. I almost got him.
That's cat, bro. You did not almost get it.
No, I did, bro. Red is just insane.
Bro, I was about to tag him.
You know, I almost did, but then I like missed. Oh!
Wait, you were the other person going after him?
Yeah, it was me.
Yeah. I need more bullets!
Hey,
Oh my god.
I accepted my fate. I have accepted my fate. Wait. Do that again?
Orange, guess what?
Chicken butt?
Oh god, bro. Cheese VR's about to go down. Cheese VR's got to go down, guys. Cheese VR's got to go down. Ah, dang. I can't give y'all cheese.
Yo, guys, it's tea. It's tea.
So, what do we do? You are not a real black kid.
Yo, what is this guy trying to do?
I don't know.
Red, guess what? Chicken butt! Whoa, loser!
Somebody's tree camping, y'all. Somebody's tree camping.
You monster!
I tagged him. There.
Who said that?
Cheese VR's coming for you, buddy. Green, you better run. Cheese VR's coming for you.
Oh, yeah.
Cheese VR strikes again. Cheese VR strikes again.
Where are you
Cheese
at?
VR.
Yeah, I'm Cheese VR, guys. I'm Cheese VR.
Hello, bro. I'm a loser.
Orange!